Stop by and take a look at the 2017 F-Pace. The first Jaguar luxury performance SUV brings together sporty handling and dramatic beauty with everyday practicality and efficiency, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.